Hello guys, let's create the Superman animation effect using CSS and HTML. So let's start with the code. So first I'll complete the HTML, then I'll go for the CSS. So let's add the HTML. Let's link the CSS file. So inside the body tag, I'll add one div tag. And inside this div, I'll add span. Let's add 10 spans. So inside the span, I'll add some variables. And let's put some values. Nine, 10. So in the div, I'll define one class, container. So now I'll start with the CSS. So for the body, the width would be 100% and height would be 100 vertical height, and the background color, let's little bit yellowish color. So let's check how it looks. Now we'll add the container. Width would be 200 pixel and height would be 200 pixel. The position would be absolute. The top 50% and left 50%. Transform, translate, minus 50%. Minus 50%. So let's see how it looks. Okay, so need to add background color. Now add the border radius 50%. So now I'll add the style for the flickering effect. So those spans are inside this container. The width would be 100%, height would be 100%. Position absolute. Top 0 pixel and left 0 pixel, and border radius 50%. So let's give a name S-man. 2.5 seconds linear and infinite time the animation will happen. Let's add the animation. Keyframe, S-man. So in 0% and 100%, the transform scale will be 0.5. 1. And when it's 90%, when it's 0%, the scale would be 1. When it's 90%, the scale would be 3. And when it's 100%, the scale would be number 4. So when it's 0%, the opacity would be 0.5, and when it's 100%, the opacity would be 0. Now let's check how it looks. Okay, so we need to add the delay for this, so that's why it was not getting reflected. So let's add the delay. So for delay, we'll be using cal. So minus 0.5 second into. So now we'll be using those variables that we have mentioned in this the span tag. So let's add var minus I. So let's see. Okay, so let's add the background color. So since the animation is happening, since we didn't add the background color, that's why it's not getting reflected. So let's add this, and now if you see the animation is happening now. So now we'll be adding the image. So for this image, so this is the image and this is the URL. So I'll copy this and I'll add one div. So inside that I'll be adding this image. Let's see how it looks. So let's add a class image container. So we have to place that image in the center. So in the image container, position would be absolute. Top would be 50%, left 50%, transform, translate minus 50% and minus 50%. So now it's completely centralized. So let's resize the image. Let's give a width of 150 pixel or 140 pixel, and height would be 150 pixel. So let's see how it looks. It looks proper. Now the image is still. We want to add some flickering effect in this image. So for that, so let's add animation. Let's give a name SM. Let's give a 1.2 seconds and infinite time it will happen. So let's add the keyframe SM from 0% to 100%. The transform translates would be minus 1 pixel, and when it's 50%, the transform translate y would be 1 pixel. So let's see. Okay, it's very slow. 0.1 second. And now I can see a little flickering. Okay, so our design is ready. It looks awesome. So this kind of cool stuff you can do in your website. So for the source code, I'll give the link in the description. And if you like this video, please subscribe my channel.